Yes. Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome back to Dear Maths classes. My dear second PUC students, last series ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಜೆಇ ಮೇನ್ಸ್ ಸೆಷನ್ 1 ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂತಹ ಹಲವಾರು ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಈಗ KCET ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಹತ್ರ ಬರ್ತಿರೋ ಕಾರಣದಿಂದ KCET ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟ 10 ವರ್ಷದ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಇಯರ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಈಗ ಡಿಟೇಲ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಫ್ರಮ್ 2015 ಟು 2025. ಓಕೆ, ಆಲ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ಸ್ 10 ವರ್ಷದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ನ ಡಿಟೇಲ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಈ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? So now the first chapter is sets. Okay, so sets chapter ಇಂದ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ 10 years ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿರುವಂತ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಮೊದಲನೇ ಕ್ವಶನ್ KCET 2015 ಕ್ವಶನ್. Okay, 2015 ಕ್ವಶನ್. What is the question here? Write the set builder form of A is equals to set of minus 1, 1. Okay, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಬ್ರೀಫ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ನಾನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ನಾಟ್ ಇನ್ ಡೆಪ್ತ್, ಬ್ರೀಫ್ಲಿ. Okay, so here what is roster form and what is set builder form? Roster form ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? So we list all the members of this set within brackets separated by commas. Okay, we list all the members or elements. Okay, we list all the members means, for example, set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Okay, so this all the members or all the elements are written in brackets separated by commas means this type of set is called roster form. Okay, now what is set builder form? Set builder form means we list all the property or properties satisfied by all the elements of a set. Okay, so set ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವಂತ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಸಮ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ ನ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಸೆಟ್ ಬಿಲ್ಡರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಇನ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಬಿಲ್ಡರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್. Okay, these options are in set builder form. Clear? Now question, what is the set builder form of set A is equals to minus 1, 1? So ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ just options ನ observe ಮಾಡಿ. Here option A is equals to x such that x is an integer. X is an integer ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದಾನೆ, ಬಟ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ minus 1 to 1. ಸೊ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ minus 1, 1. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ A is deleted. And same as option C also deleted. Why? X such that x is a real number. Okay, x is a real number, but ಯಾವ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. So here C option also deleted. Now only option B and option D is there. So option B ಅಲ್ಲಿ x is a root of the equation x square plus 1 is equals to 0. Option D ಅಲ್ಲಿ x is a root of the equation x square is equals to 1 given. So here what is the first statement here? X is a root. Okay, x is a root means here given the values x is equals to minus 1 and x is equals to 1 are the roots of the equation. Okay, x is equals to minus 1 and 1 are the roots means x plus 1 and x minus 1 are factors. Okay, factors of equation. So factors of equation means write x plus 1 and x minus 1 as it is equals to 0. So now it is observed here, it is in the form of a plus b into a minus b means a square minus b square. Correct? X square minus 1 square is equals to 0. So x square minus 1 is equals to 0. So x square minus 1 inna yav ತರ ಬರ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. X square is equals to minus 1 transformation becomes plus 1. So what is the answer here? X square is equals to plus 1 is the answer. So if x is a roots of the equation, x square is equals to 1. So what are the x here? Minus 1 and plus 1. So which option is correct? Option D is correct. Clear? So next question here. What is the next question here? If A and B are finite sets, okay, A and B are finite sets, then A is subset of B, then options are A, B, C, D. So this question is from KCET 2017. Okay, that is the question. KCET 2017 question. So if A and B are finite sets, what is finite sets? Finite sets means what? Finite set means countable number of elements in a set. Okay, countable number of elements in a set. So here given condition is A is subset of B. Okay, so A is subset of B means here A is a subset, B is a superset. Correct? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ನೋಡಿ, ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಗಿರೋ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ union of a subset, union of a subset. So this is a subset with its superset. So with its superset. So subset and superset are both are in union of a subset with its superset. So result also superset. Okay. Result also supersets itself. Okay. So or one more condition is there. So subset intersection also is there. Intersection of subset with its superset, the result is subset itself, not superset. It is a subset itself, another concept. So here a intersection b is equals to a, or a union b is equals to b. Okay, so these two conditions are applied. A union b is equals to b, a intersection b is equals to a. You have any doubt means check with the elements. For example, A consider 1, 2, 3. Okay. B consider set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 means. Okay. So now A intersection B. A intersection B means common elements between A and B. What are the common elements? Common elements are 1, 2, 3. Okay. This is what A intersection B. So this 1, 2, 3 means what? Set A only na. Correct. So A intersection B is equals to A. Now check A union B. A union B means A union B is equals to set of 1, 2, 3 and this 4, 5 also. Okay. Now this set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is nothing but B. Okay. So A union B is equals to B. A intersection B is equals to A. So using this concept, using this property, now solve this problem. If A and B are finite sets and A is subset of B, then which option is correct? Here direct solution is there, but once we have to check. So using the formula n of A union B is equals to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. We know this property. Okay. So n of A plus n of B minus here A intersection B means what? A. So n of A. So n of A cancel. What is remaining? N of B is the answer. N of A union B is equals to n of B is the answer. So which option is correct? First option is correct. Clear? Next, go to another question. So this question is from 2019, KCET 2019. Okay. So here question is U is a universal set with 100 elements. Okay. So with 100 elements means what? N of U is equals to 100. Very clear. A and B are two sets such that n of A is equals to 50. In the question given n of A is equals to 50 and n of B is equals to 60. Okay. And n of A intersection B is equals to 20. Then find n of A complement intersection B complement. Okay. Find A complement intersection B complement. So in this question, which concept is involved here? De Morgan's law. Which concept involved here? De Morgan's law. So if A and B are two sets means then A union B whole complement is equals to A complement intersection B complement, or A intersection B whole complement is equals to A complement union B complement. We know these two properties. Okay, using these two properties, solve this problem. So here first we have to find A union B. You know formula n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. Okay. What is n of A here? 50. N of B means 60. N of A intersection means 20. So what do we get here? 60 minus 20 is 40. 40 plus 50 is 90. So this is what? N of A union B. Okay. We need to find n of A complement intersection B complement. So, using De Morgan's property, n of A complement intersection B complement means n of A union B whole complement. Correct? N of A union B whole complement using this first property. Okay. This n of A union B whole complement also written as n of A union B whole complement also written as, you know, A complement is equals to universal set minus A. Correct? A complement is equals to universal set minus A. So here n of U minus n of A union B. Okay, using this property. So n of U means number of elements in universal set 100 minus n of A union B. Here we get n of A union B is 90. So 100 minus 90. 100 minus 90 is nothing but correct. So 10 is the answer. Very clear, very simple problems. So next question is 2022 question. 2022 question. If A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then number of subsets of A. Okay, number of subsets of A. So here concept is subsets concept. We know one small formula, the total number of subsets of a finite set. The total number of subsets of a finite set containing n elements means what is the formula? 2 to the power of n. So 2 to the power of n is the number of subsets of a set. That set is finite set. Okay. So 2 to the power of n means here 2 to the power of how many elements in a set? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So 6. 2 to the power of 6 means 64 is the answer. But in the question given, which contains at least two elements. Okay. The subsets which contains at least two elements. Okay. Means P of A contains at least two elements. So what are the subsets of this set? First, empty set, singleton set, 2, singleton 3, singleton 4, singleton 5, singleton 6. Now, two elements in a set starts from 1, comma 2, set of 1, comma 3, set of 1, comma 4, and so on. Okay, there are 64 subsets are there. In that, we consider only at least two elements. At least two elements means eliminate this all. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 64, your answer is 64, sorry, 64 minus 7 is equals to 54 is the answer. Sorry, 57 is the answer. Okay, what is the answer? 57 is the answer. Clear, very simple question. This is from 2022. Now, next question. Same 2022. One more question. If A is equals to 1, 2, 3, and so on 10. So A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. From 1 to 10. Number of subsets of A. Same number of subsets of a set A. Set is equals to 2 to the power of n is the formula. Containing only odd numbers. Here the condition is, what is the condition here? Containing only odd numbers. So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So this is condition applied set. Okay. Condition applied set. B is equals to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So number of elements in B is equals to 5. Now question, find the number of subsets of A. Sorry. Here let you take here conditional problem. Na? So take here A only. Conditional A. So n of A is equals to 5. So n of A means 2 to the power of n is equals to 2 to the power of 5 is equals to 32 is the answer. Is the answer here? 32 is the answer. Clear? Next. Yes. So here some problems we completed. In the next section we continued remaining problems. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Okay, Dear Maths by Devras sir. Okay. So for more updates, please follow my channel. Thank you for watching.